Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, so nice to have you guys here. My name is Melanie. For today's video, I am testing the Makeup Unmurdered pastel pigments, and I'm gonna show you guys what I applied. I used these three bad boys right here, and I'm thinking about doing another video where I also include the ones I didn't use. So before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to my channel because I am doing a giveaway, and once I reach 500 subscribers, I am choosing one lucky subscriber for the prize. Yeah, so and if you would like an extra entry, then make sure to follow me on Instagram and leave your Instagram down below as well. And let's start with this Makeup Unmurdered pastel pigments review. Here we have the Makeup Unmurdered pastel pigments, and ooh, it looks so pretty. So I'm just gonna make us a quick look. And if you haven't seen my previous video on the Makeup Unmurdered neon pigments, make sure to go check that out as well. I'll leave a link in the description down below so you guys can see both of them if you choose to buy them. And these are just so freaking pretty. Okay, let's start with the eyes. So I'm just priming my eyes right now with the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in number 4 beige. So first I'm going to go in with my Too Faced I Believe in Pink palette. And I'm first going to go in with the color Spoiled Rotten on my fluffy brush. So just gonna take a little bit of that, dab it off, and just fluffing that onto the crease of my eye. Okay guys, so the first color I'm gonna be going into is this pastel purple we have over here, and yep, Pastel Poison neon pigment. Now they don't have names, just like the neon ones don't have names. My dog is trying to get my attention. So I'm just gonna go in it as always, as usual with the cap. So I'm just gonna uncap this super carefully because I would hate for everything to spill out. Nice and secure. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this crown brush and go on the cap. And now let's start putting that on the eye. Nice and soft, beautiful. And this one actually has way less fallout than the neon ones do. I forgot to spritz my brush with setting spray or something. So I'm just gonna continue on with this eye, and then we can move on to the blue pigment. Okay, I jinxed it. I got some pigment on this eye. Sometimes I'll just do that because it's my face. So I just and then usually it's gone. Okay, it's looking super pretty right now, guys. I wish you could see it in person. So, let me put the cap back on this. And now we're gonna go in with this pastel blue. Look how pretty it is. Taking this pretty pastel blue I got, and then straight in the middle, just overlapping the purple just a little bit. And I forgot if I mentioned this already, but I did cut my crease just so I could have a clear map on where I want the pigments to go. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are so cute. I love them. Okay, gonna do the other eye. Okay, this apparently is my fallout eye because I got no fallout. I got a little bit of fallout on the first on my left eye, but my right eye is just kick back. It's okay, I honestly don't mind because like I said, I usually do my eyes first, and even if I didn't, I would put some translucent powder to avoid my base makeup from getting messed up, so it's no big deal. Now on to our last pigment, and that is this one over here. So I'm gonna take my third brush because don't mix the pigments with the same brush. So now I'm going to take this flat brush. They're all flat brushes, and I'm going to start doing that last outer third of my eye. Now taking the last pretty pigment over here from the pastels and stamping that onto my eye. I love these. I don't think I've ever worn pastel colors, to be honest. I'm pretty sure this is the first time in the 4 years I've been doing makeup about that I've worn pastel colors. And this is making me want to like go back in time and tell myself, Melanie, buy these because you're gonna have a fun time. It's so fun to work with. Look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna do my other eye and fix the rest of myself up so I can give you guys my final opinion. See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, and this is my final look over here. I have these Acerado lashes in the style doll, and these are so pretty. I thought they would go perfect for this look because they're very sparse, but like you can like still see the lashes and the pastel pigments, which is what our main focus is on. And I added some pink lip just because, I don't know, I didn't want a nude. I felt like everything would be too plain out, so I did want the lip, I don't know, to create some balance. That's what I felt like anyway. So this is our final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post. Also, don't forget to subscribe because if you do, then you are entered for a chance to win my giveaway. And if you follow me on Instagram, you have a double entry. My Instagram is MAKEUPMELLLL. And oh yeah, drop your Instagrams down below because I will be checking. Thank you all so much for coming to see me, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, loves.